Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Name Drummer, and if you're not already familiar with my channel, go check it out after this video. And also, I'm going to be doing a fun video for you guys since you were being stuck in isolation. And also, I'm going to be showing you my new intro here. Okay, let's get started with the drums. So, if you're not already familiar with these sticks, I'll put the link in the description below for these sticks. And you can buy any pair of socks that have drums on them. It doesn't matter except for like SpongeBob drumming or something like that. But, okay, and then they go do a program and they work really good. There we go. Okay, that one works. Okay, let's try something else. Oh, that works pretty good too. Okay, oops. I'm just going to play something else. Okay, that was pretty good. And these sticks are available at some stores, music stores. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait here for a little bit until you pick a video like that. No, like that one. Okay, I'm done. Goodbye.